Hello, I'm driving a 2003 Chevy Astromobile. Chevy Astromobile S10 or Chevy Blazer. You just share same evaporator cover and evaporator system. And as you know, this vehicle and Blazer, we don't have a cabin filter. So I'll be able to show how dirty will be like. Yeah, this evaporator is all dirty. As you see in other video, how dirty the evaporator coil gonna be. And this is the evaporator coil cover. And only way is clean this evaporator coil is drill the hole like me. But I didn't use a drill. Do not using the drill, because you drill too big, you drill the hole in the evaporator, you ruin everything. So I did just screw right here. And make sure screw straight up, not like this. Then you screw penetrate through the evaporator. It's bad for you. So rather you go straight down and create the hole. Okay? Because if you drill, as I mentioned, you drill too deep, you in trouble. And then I went to the Home Depot, buy this foam cleaner for the lifter coil, for $5, $6 something. And I bought this red straw from the WD-40. Okay, let's see, how can I show this? Okay, hole, I penetrate straw all the way in, and just press it. So you hear the sound there, all evaporator coil is filled with foaming right now. And then you see them? So, some already dripping underneath. Okay, I'll put the one hole here, one hole in the middle, last on the back. As I mentioned, don't drill it using screw. So you can feel what, when you touch something, you stop right there. If you use drill, as I mentioned, drill too far, you ruin everything. You evaporator hole on it, then you have to buy new evaporator, take this off, whole mess. Some guy told me he worked about 4 hours work on this. So okay. Let's create the hole. Straw. it goes pretty deep. And connect the foam. Okay, after I inject 2 cans of this foam cleaner, I think clean good. You see all the brown spot, the water, yeah, I guess it's come from the evaporator housing. So that thing worked real good. They clean up the old dirty thing out of evaporator housing. Now I have to plug up the hole. As I mentioned, I created 3 holes here. 1, 2, and 3. So I figure it will be highly moisturized area. So I put this stainless steel screw. To plug the hole, and that's the end of it. And then I have to turn this vehicle on and lower speed AC for about 10 minutes. So the evaporator clean up all the water, and you're going to drain out all the remain dirty water out of the system, and it will be clean and good to go. I hope so. But this video I just made it because no one else made this video for this 쉐보레 A스트로 van and S10, the pickup truck, Blazer. They, when you look at their the plan, they show same housing like this. So this is gonna help you. Okay. Key point is never ever drill the hole using this screw. Drill the hole. So when you touch something, that means it's time to stop, right? If you drill the hole, if someone suggests put some tape around, you can drill the 1/4 inch. What if you go penetrate deeper than that and puncture the evaporator? It's not worth this to me. So I need this screw, twist and twist, create this 3 hole here and here, and inject 2 cans of this foam coil cleaner from the Home Depot, and then it's worked good for me. I can see the outcome. As I mentioned, all this brown water come out of this evaporator housing. That means it works. Because how am I know? When I inject the foam here, all these 2 holes spill out all the foam out. That means this whole thing full with the foaming agent, and it's clean it up, I guess. So if this works, I'm gonna do this like every once in a year. So I'm gonna smell the fresh air. I don't wear a mask anymore, like dirty sock. You know that smell, right? Airshore van. Don't have any what's called the cabin filter. So, all right. Let me. Okay, I guess. Hold on a second. Just take a view anyway. So the drawer screw is smaller than this stainless steel screw. So when I twist, it's so tight, it goes in, so it not come out. Don't too tight. I just a little bit more. Voila. So I'm gonna put this stainless screw 1, 2, 3 to cover the hole I just created. Then you're good to go. Okay, I just plug the hole with a stainless steel screw. Okay, I just start the motor, run the AC on the one low, high and low position. About 10 minutes, and it will be good. swap came out of a measurement. I guess I'll get clean good this time.